Hello, hello, this is Mark from Always Sold 123, and today on a beautiful Tuesday morning, and it's 100 degrees here, we're gonna do a video walk around for this Toyota Sienna with a nice beautiful color, with a nice beautiful Carfax, beautiful on the bottom, undercarriage, nice tires, pearl white, obviously limited edition. It's limited to the number we could sell. Now, who knows what this joke came from? Well, if you watched TV back 20 years ago, you would know. Now, we got Toyota here. We're gonna start from the back, okay, from the back door. Does have parking sensors. That does have aftermarket towing accessories on the bottom. Okay, you can see that little piece of the towing itself that did not come with the car, that somebody installed it. It has a little surface rust, but doesn't mean that the car is rust bucket. Okay, so we're gonna open up the trunk space right away. This is typical Toyota, of course. You can see a bunch of space, clean carpets, guys. JBL rated. Well, it's a limited. All you got the 120 volts here. You got a beautiful headliner, all the air conditioning vents. You do have a DVD. It's kind of loaded model for that year. Obviously, you could see how much space is in the back. If you need a car for work, for anything that you do, guys, this is an amazing spacious vehicle. You have your family there, and plus you can have your tools and everything that you need. Affordable minivan. Oh, look at that. These are power. Oh, that's so nice. Damn, I didn't know they make power back in the days. So these are power seats, guys. Boom, 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 and it works well. Okay, so let's close this thing. Should it be? Yeah, I knew they had to pull something. All right. Me personally, I love this color. I think Toyotas and Lexus in pearl white, that's the best color that they made. Now let's look at the bottom, please, over here. Go on the bottom, John. Okay, so look at the bottom. So once again, you can see that the vehicle is so nice at the bottom. You do have a little surface rust on the towing accessory that is aftermarket. Feel free to take it off if you want to. Okay, so we got quarter panel, door, and the fender right there. I don't see any damages at all. You have tires in the back that is very well gapped, very big spread there, 225, 60, 17 with the tires. Now we're gonna try to open up. Okay, so both doors, I clicked the wrong one. So with the buttons, the doors open and it works, which is good. You can see that the seats here are super clean. Look at that. This is a nice car, man. I'm telling you, look at the seats. Like, I don't know, nobody ever been in this car or something. Usually you can see the kids, they, love kids, but they ruin the interior from time to time. But this is super clean. You got a nice, also a driver door with no damages. You got a memory seats here. You got wooden steering wheel. You got all the VIN number stickers. You got a wear and tear on the driver's seat right there. But listen, this is a 2010 when 2026. The car looks better than some people. I don't want to say anything, but it is what it is. Let's start the car. You got a lots of space here, compartments. Okay, a bunch of compartments here. You got heated seats. You got original navigation. No cracked dashboards. Okay. No wear and the buttons. AC is super cold. You do have a sunroof. It works, guys. I always say, keep in mind, I check these cars with you, with little buttons that work or not, that might not work. We'll figure out together. But this is how we sell it. We're not gonna sell you something that we don't have, and if something doesn't work, we will tell you about it, and it's up to you to buy it and deal with it. The vehicle is 16 years old, so we're just gonna go from that. Okay, so the windows work, that window work, and let's see if these windows work on the doors. Both of the, okay, windows work. Okay, that window works. So, and then we're gonna try to close this door. Okay, so that door, we're gonna push the button over there. Let's go on the bottom here a little bit, John. on the bottom of the car. Take a look. I love this color. I love the color. Okay, so we got front, the hood, very, very small of rock chips. You got 2 holes for the front plate or whatever it is that you want to put in the front. Okay, and the bumper, you got nice bumper, minor damages, minor scratches. Take a look, solid vehicle, all right. All the VIN numbers there. Doesn't smell like anything. You don't see any liquids on the floor. You don't see any signs of oil from here, or what I see. And the engine is solid, guys. I don't know, the car is beautiful. Okay, lights are nice, no foggy lights. Like I said, we're gonna go through this fender. The tires also here. The front tires are Continental. All right, the back ones is Hankook. You have like a touch up here. You got a door. There's no damages on this door. You got a beautiful inner door panel, okay? And we got some headphones from Toyota and a remote control. I don't know how to use them, so I don't really care, but if you care, you could use them, okay? We're not promising they're working or not, because I think these days all the kids sitting on iPads probably get better service than just putting a CD player over there. But anyways, you have this seat, also beautiful. The car does not smell like cigarettes, dogs, cats, animals, alcohol, drugs. It's just very clean. For your family, it will be perfect. Guys, while I'm doing this video walk around, I'm gonna give you a friendly disclosure. Now, this vehicle is sold as is. It's 16 years old. Taxes, dealer fees, registration is not included in the sales price. Shipping $1.25 per mile. All the documents could be done through DocuSign, and payments through wire transfers, okay? If you need more pictures of something specific, or we're gonna have a bunch of pictures, but if you want something specific in your email, you call us, you email us, you text us, we will send you those pictures. The video is gonna be on the website, so as on YouTube channel, you can view it directly, and it looks like it's one of our customers, because they drive funky cars, look like a spaceship like that, okay? Some people came to see a car. Guys, thank you so much. I'm blessed to have you watch my videos, and if you're interested in a vehicle, no problem, just call us. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. God bless.